Ayan from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Samtullah.
Sheikh, last week I asked you about constantly missing the Fajr prayer, and you said Allah will help those people who have good Iman. So I want to improve my Iman so that I can wake up for Fajr.
What did I say?
Do you have any tips?
I don't understand.
Last week I asked you about missing constantly, like around 10 times Fajr.
Okay, so missing Fajr constantly without a legitimate reason, without a hearing deficiency, or you're impaired in your hearing, you don't have any medical reason. It's just laziness or sleeping late. This is a clear sign of hypocrisy. Because the Prophet said, ﷺ, the most burdensome prayers upon the hypocrites are the Fajr and the Isha. Had they known the rewards that they have, they would have come to it crawling on their arms, hands and knees. So it is a sign of hypocrisy. And in order to uplift this hypocrisy from yourself, you need to increase your Iman. And increasing your Iman is not here to be discussed. There are lectures. You go to my YouTube channel and to my website. I have stated many, many points that would